Afternoon, welcome. This is Waec year 2020 English test of oral past question. Question number 45. The instruction here says we should look out for the option that takes a stress position on a different syllable. So option A is pronounced as formative. Formative, and it is an adjectival word, an adjective, and then it has three syllables or three syllabic word, three syllables. The option B is pronounced as character. It is a noun word. Then it has three syllables too. Character. The option C is pronounced as designate. It is an adjectival word too. Adjective. Then it has three syllables by its pronunciation. Three syllables. Then option D is pronounced as continue, not con. It's continue, not continue. Continue. And it is a verb. And it has three syllables too. So now let us find out their stress position. The first option, formative, takes a stress on the first syllable. Then option B takes a stress character. You find out that the car is rising, then the other syllables fall, then it takes a stress on the first syllable. The option C also takes a stress on the first syllable. The option D, continue. T is where we have the stress position, so it is on the second syllable. So by this analysis, find out that option D takes its stress on a different position, differ from option A, B, and C. Therefore, option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.